CapCut Auto Caption is one of the ways to attract your readers or your followers when you are into YouTube or you are into TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to show CapCut Auto Caption on your video. So you don't need to do this manually. You just need to follow the steps I'm showing you in this video, and auto caption in TikTok will be enabled for your videos. There are two ways to add auto captions to video in CapCut. Now the first way is just launch your CapCut and click on Captions. Once you click on Captions, you want to select the video where you want to add auto CapCut. So let's say I selected this video. And then I added the video to my timeline. Then you should see auto caption in CapCut pop up automatically. Now you want to choose between these options, and if this option is not enabled, that is identify invalid clips, you can just turn this up if you like. Then choose from this option and ensure that from video is toggle on. Also, you can change the language. If it is not English by default, then change the language. So once you do that, and then the caption is selected, that is the caption you want to use is selected, click on start. Once you hit the start, you see CapCut will be generating your video auto caption. This might take a couple of seconds depending on the volume or length of your video. So just hang on until the auto caption is completed, and once you see auto captions created, then you should say your video auto caption just like this. Then just adjust this auto caption, and if any of the captions is not correct, you can just tap on it and tap style. Once you tap style, you'll be able to edit the auto caption. Then if you choose to listen to this video, you see that the CapCut auto caption has been added automatically. This is one of the ways to add auto caption in TikTok to your video. Then let's check out the second approach. The second approach, you want to click on project and then select the video you want to add auto caption to, add it to your CapCut timeline. And once you've done that, then click on test, tap test. Once you click on test, then you see auto captions. Click on auto captions and then you see pop up. In this pop up, you have from video. Since it is video that you want to add the auto caption for, the CapCut tab will automatically select from video, and if it is voiceover, you want to choose voiceover, and here under template you want to choose the CapCut auto caption template you want to use. As I'm recording this video, there are just 4 CapCut auto caption templates available, this, and this. So in my own case, I would prefer to use maybe this. And then once that is added, you want to click on start. So once you click on start, the auto caption in CapCut will start generating. This might take a couple of seconds as this depends solely on the length of your video. And once the auto caption has been generated, you should see a pop-up that says auto captions created. So you can just listen to your video and you can adjust the size of this text, so to make it bigger and fit into the screen. So once you have that, once you adjust one of the videos, it will be applicable to all the video captions. So once you are done, you can listen to the video and then check through whether the auto captions are correct. If they are not correct, you can easily edit the auto caption. To do this, just tap on the auto caption and then click on star. Once you hit the star, an option to edit your CapCut auto caption will appear. Then edit it and then check this box to save. Once you are done editing it, then click on this export box to export the CapCut auto caption video on your device, and once it has been exported, the video will be exported with the CapCut auto caption generated in this process. So if this is helpful, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this.